Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Siti Nur Aisyah binti Termizi, nombor metrik 25DDT19F1177. Okay, hari ni saya nak explain practical exercise 1 yang diberi tajuk Configuring a Zone-Based Policy Firewall ZPF. So, ni adalah addressing table dia, device R1, R2, R3, PCA and PCC. Interface, IP address, subnet mask, default gateway dengan switch port yang dibagi. Okay, part 1. Verify basic network connectivity. Verify network connectivity prior to configuring the zone-based policy firewall. So, step 1 from the PCA, command prompt ping PCC. So, kita pergi PCA. Desktop, command prompt, okay, ping PCC. Okay, ping adalah berjaya. Okay, next. Step 2, access R2 using SSH from the PCC command prompt SSH to the serial 001 interface on R2 at 10.2.2.2. Use the username admin and password admin pa55 to log in. Okay, pergi pada PCC. Desktop, command prompt, SSH, L, admin, and to password, admin, pa55. Alright, exit. Okay. Next, step 3. From the PCC, open a web browser to the PCA server. Click the desktop tab and then click the web browser application. Enter the PCA IP address as the URL. The packet tracer welcome page from the web server should be displayed. And then B, close the browser on PCC. Okay, so PCC, web browser. Okay, masukkan IP address 3. Okay, packet tracer welcome to packet tracer was displayed. Okay, next part 2, create the firewall zones on R3. Step 1, enable the security technology package on R3. Issue the show version command to view the technology package listen information. B, if the security technology package has not been enabled, use the following command to enable the package. C, accept the end user listen agreement. D, save the running config and reload the router to enable the security listen. And last, verify the security technology package has been enabled by using the show version command. Okay, so kita buka R3. CLI. Cisco Conpa 55. Enable Cisco and pa55. Okay, mula-mula show version. Okay, ni adalah version yang sebelum kita ubah. Security dia adalah disable, none. Okay, so next kita masukkan listen boot module C1900 technology package security K9. Oh, configure terminal. And then listen boot module C1900 technology package security K9. Okay, so accept, yes. Okay, next, copy run start and then reload. Okay, power 55. Cisco power 55. Cisco and power. Cisco Conpa 55. Okay, enable Cisco and PA 55. Okay, last is show version. Ini adalah versionnya setelah kita masukkan listen boot module C1900 technology package security K9. So dia berubah dekat sini jadi security K9 evolution and security K9. Okay. Step 2 is create an internal zone. Use the zone security command to create a zone name in zone. KR3 R3 configure terminal. Okay. Zone security zone. Receive. Step 3, create an external zone. Use the zone security command to create a zone named out zone. KR3 zone security out zone. Okay, part 3, identify traffic using a class map. Create an SCL that defines external traffic. Use the access list command to create extend SCL 101 to permit all IP protocols from the IP address source network to any destination. So R3 access list 101 permit IP 192.168.3.0 0.0.0.255.8. Okay. So next step 2, create a class map referencing the internet traffic SCL. Use the class map type and inspect command with the match all option to create a class map name in net class map. Use the match access group command to match SCL 101. So R3 okay. Class map type inspect match all net class map. Okay, next match access row 101 and then exit. Okay. Part 4, specify firewall policies. Step 1, create a policy map to determine what to do with match traffic. Use the policy map type inspect command and create a policy map name into out PMAP. Okay, R3. So, policy map inspect into PMAP. Oops. Finger. Okay. Okay. Step 2. Specify a class type on inspect and reference class map in net class map. So, PMPA class type inspect in net class map. Okay, next step 3. Specify the action of inspect for this policy map. The use of the inspect command invokes context-based access control. Other options include pass and drop. So R3 inspect. Okay, alright. So all protocol will be inspect. Okay. Part 5. Apply firewall policies. Step 1. Create a pair of zone. Using the zone pair security command, create a zone pair name into out Z pair. Specify the source and destination zones that were created in task 1. So R3 zone pair security into out Z pair. Source in zone destination out zone. Enter. Alright. Next, step 2. Specify the policy map for handling the traffic between the two zones. Okay. Attach a policy map and its associate action to the zone pair using the service policy tab inspect. Command and reference the policy map previously created into out PMAP. So R3 service policy type inspect into out PMAP. exit. Alright. Step 3, assign interface to the appropriate security zone. Use the zone member security command in interface configuration mode to assign Gigabyte Internet 01 to in zone and serial 001 to out zone. Okay. R3. So interface Gigabyte 01 zone member security in zone exit interface as 010001 zone member security out zone exit. Alright. Last step 4, copy the running configuration to the setup configuration. So R3. Part 6. Test firewall functionality from in-zone to out-zone. Verify that internal host can still access external resource after configuration the ZPF. Step 1. From the internal PCC, ping the external PCA server. PCC command prompt ping 192.168.1.13. Okay, ping adalah berjaya. Alright, next adalah step 2, from the external PCC SSH to the R2 serial 001 interface. A, from the PCC command prompt SSH to R2 at 10.2.2.2. Use the username admin and the password admin pa55 to access R2. The SS session should success. While the SSH session is active, issue the command show policy map type inspect zone pair sessions on R3 to view established session. What is the source IP address and port number? What is destination IP address and port number? So step 2. PCC SSH L admin 0.10.2.2.2 password admin and pa55 admin pa55. Alright. Okay, so B R3 show policy map type inspect zone precision. Alright, what is the source IP address? So the IP address okay, this is the source IP address 192.168.3.3 1027. So the The port number is 1027. So, what is the destination IP address and port number? Destination IP address adalah 10.2.2.2. So, the port number is 22. Alright. Step 3. From the PCC, exit the SSH session on R2 and close the command from Windows. Alright. So, kita pergi ke PCC. Exit. Alright, we close the. Okay, step 4. From the external PCC, open a web browser to the PCA server web page. Alright, PCC web browser. Okay, the packet tracer welcome is displayed. Okay, next. Part yang terakhir, part 7, test firewall functionality from outzone to inzone. Verify the external host cannot access internal resource after configuring the ZPF. Step 1, from the PCA server, command prompt ping PCC. So, kita pergi ke PCA, ping PCC 192.168.3.3. Alright, the ping tidak berjaya. Okay. Step 2, from R2 ping PCC. R2 KCLI password Cisco Enpa Cisco on Cisco Enpa 55. Alright. Nama Cisco Enpa 55. Alright, so the ping 192.168.3.3. Okay, the ping is successfully. So, last check result. So, the check result is assessment items. So, done for all assessment item. Okay, that's all for me for practical exercise 1. Thank you.